We'll guide you through how to download and install Forge for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Forge is going to allow you to go and run mods on Minecraft, so it's really useful to go and have. Here we are on my desktop, so what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what we then need to do is go and type in Minecraft Forge, as otherwise you may see some other results. And you want to come to the official site, which is files.minecraftforge.net. Here we are. Then what you can do is come over to the left here and you can see the different versions. So you may want to go and get a specific version of Forge if there's a specific mod you want. If you aren't too fussed though, we can just get the most recent one, which is 1.20.4 currently. So we can go and press installer like so, and we can wait for the countdown in the top right. If you see a download button on this ad here, it's just for the ad. To actually download Forge, you press skip in the top right and it will go and download. Now, if you want to go and get any mods to then use with Forge, you could head to a site like curseforge.com. You can go and search for CurseForge and come to the site, select Minecraft, and we can select Browse All. On the left, we can filter for Forge as the mod loader and set the version to the version of what you got Forge for. I'll go and get this mod here. We can go and click on it. You can scroll down and start reading some information about it. And then we can come to the top and press Files. We need to download it. We need to make sure that the mod loader is Forge and it's for the same version that we got Forge for, which is 1.21.4. That's this one here. Press the three dots to the right and you can press download file and wait for it to download. Before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. They've got so many great features. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Scroll down and you can start to see some of their features, things like 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get help anytime you need it, DDoS protection, automated backups, instant setup, and much more. But to continue with the guide, we need to start the install process. So you'll need to go and open up your file explorer and you can come to the left and press downloads. And we're going to start off by installing Forge. So what you need to do is go and double click on it and it should go and open up like this. If it doesn't, nothing happens or something else opens, don't worry. This is because you don't have Java. So come back to your web browser and you can come to java.com, go and press download Java for desktops and then press download again. It will download and you can install it. Back to Forge, right click on it and hover over open with and select choose another app, select Java and press always. And it should then go and run as you can see. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. That links jar and Java files together again. Got a video covering it, which you can go and watch. And then once you've done that, you can go and open this up and it should go and launch. Select install client and press OK. It's going to run and we can go and press OK there. That's it. Come to the top of the launcher and click installations. Now go and scroll down like so, and you need to go and find the option for Forge and press the file or folder icon to the right to open up the files. We need to go and find the mods folder, which is here, open it up. What we then need to do is go and drag and drop the mod in. And then what you can do is hover over it and press play to the right. Here we are. You know it was successful. It will say Forge in the bottom left. We can then click mods and see the mods you've installed.